Hello my dear friends, welcome you all to my YouTube channel Guruji Education Wala. Today we are going to learn about the not logical function in Excel. The basic use of not logical function is that whenever the condition inside the not function will return true, it will return the not function will return exact opposite of that true, that is false. If that condition inside the not function returns false, then not will convert that false to true. Okay, this is the basic function of not logical function in Excel. So here the student data is given, two students data is given over here, Arun and Rupesh, and they have scored respective marks in their English subject. Okay, so here we are going to check the not function. Okay, so the formula for the not function is that not inside that logical test. Okay, this logical test is only one comparison or one condition only. Okay, other than this not other than not logical function or and functions are having more than one condition inside those functions, but in not logical function only and only one logical test or one logical condition you have to be given. Okay, you can't mention more than one condition inside the logical test, keep it in mind. Okay, so it will return the opposite logical value of that argument or of that logical test. Consider that not is given and that logical test is returning true value, so not will convert that true into the false. Okay, let's see the example over here. So we are going to check whether Arun is going to score more than 50 marks in English subject. Okay, is equal to not Arun's marks are 70, which are given in the cell C36. Okay, is greater than equal to 50. Okay, so C36, the cell address C36, that is 70, is greater than 50. This inside condition will return true, but this not will convert that true into the false. That's we are going to press the enter. Here you can see that uh, true will return converted to the false by the not function. Similarly, here we are going to check whether the Rupesh has scored less than 50 marks. Okay, so is equal to not into the bracket C37 is less than equal to 50. Okay, so C37 means 80 is less than equal to 50. Is this true? No, that is false. So C30 less than equal to 50 returns false, but not function will convert that false into true. So let's see the answer. So it will return true. So I hope you have understand the not logical function and how it will work. So thank you so much for liking my videos. Please do like my videos, share my videos, and do subscribe my channel, that is Guruji Education Wala. Thank you so much.